Hey guys, Tifa here from GeekeryGaming, and we are back playing Resident Evil 2. I recorded this back to back, so I didn't save it or anything. I figured, you know what, I still have some time left, so let's just record this back to back. So let's go. Use our purple key. Purple key. I'm going this way. Go past the birds. All the birds. Am I going the right way? Well, wait a minute. I do not remember. No, yes, I am. All the birds are gone, though. I don't hear any birds. That's a good thing. Out this house. Out this house. So let's see. So we gotta run past. Since I also did this in not the last video, but the video that didn't record. There's zombies. Don't get up. Oh, wait a minute. They have the keys for this door. But I'm not going inside. Haha. I'm just gonna unlock it so I can have space. Get out of there. That zombie's gonna stay there because I'm not getting up. So he can get up all he wants. I'm just not getting up. You can kill him. I can shoot him in the head and he'll die. But it's like 3 shots and I don't need to waste ammo like that. But there is a room I must go. No. Oh, too, bud. Get off! Oh, come on. I'm gonna die. Oh my god! Just go. Hopefully there's health in here. I'm gonna die before I even get anywhere. And maybe I should have saved it. Desperate times calls for desperate measures. Oh, I'm in the orange caution. I don't know what I need these for. All I know is that I have a really bad feeling about it. Oh god! Shoot your mother! My heart! Oh! So give me a second. Oh! Oh! My dude! My dude! My dude! Oh my god! What is that? Sure, I'll take the cord. I don't need the cord for it, but sure, I'll take it. Can I just go through this window here? Okay, so I have to go way around. Oh, that got me. I wasted a good. Oh, I only have one. All right, I still have some ammo. Shotgun ammo back in that room. Psych! Gotta get that. I saw the red herb there. I'm gonna grab that. I'm gonna check this because I want ammo, as always. This key. Honestly, can't take it right now for the fact that I need the space. Oh, my chest hurts. Ow. Ooh, you weren't there. Okay, this is a club. So get off me. No, I ran right into her. I ran right into her. I ran right into her. Get off me. My life right now. What is life? I'm really bummed out. Can I check this for like ammo? No. No. Okay, Leon. Whatever you say. My chest hurt. Ooh. I looked at my window and it's snowing. It's supposed to be spring. And that it's snowing. This is the third time it snowed. Why you do this? Ugh. Go up here, Leon. Actually... wait, let's go up here. Yeah, take your hurt body self and climb the ladder. Stupid doodads. Stupid liquors. Sitting there hurting Leon. And shiz. I'm going to save my game. Take some ammo out. Alright. Take this. I would only have 2 to use. We're gonna heal ourselves first. And we are good in that department. Take our shotgun shells. Fill. And then we're going to take this and save our game. Must save our game. Why? Because I'm a klutz and I probably will die. Jeez, everything's done in your freaking waiting room. Jeez. My goal is to finish this game before I hit 12 saves. So let's hope I can do that. Alright, now we have the king plug, brick plug, bishop plug, and cord. So the only room we have not been in yet in here has been the I'm trying to remember the room with the zombie that's sitting right there. That's probably gonna grab me once I go through the door. Then I'll be really upset. Like, he couldn't grab me before. There's nothing in that hole. Okay, no. Seriously, I don't hear any birds, and it's kind of scary. I spoke too soon. Gotta go through here. Where's Claire? Now, where does she go? I mean, this place is pretty big, but I haven't run into her yet. Stay down. This is the door I use opening with the heart key. Oh, it's health. I don't trust this room because they give you health as soon as you walk in. And I'm scared. Whatever. These doors or windows, whatever. Oh, 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 oh. Ah, I have it. Yeah. Nobody getting me today. Oh wait, so there's stairs there. Whatever, I'm going through this door first. Y'all excited? I don't like this. I don't like anything. I hope it's a dog and not a licker. Because lickers are freaking scary and they take a crap ton of health. Not like I can just press this and then Leon will automatically, you know, go to them like they do in Resident Evil 1, 3. Does he do it in 4? It's a doggy! Bam! How are you not dead from that? My dude! I shot you. Okay, it's running apparently. It's probably running into a wall. Yeah, it's definitely running into a wall. Still running into a wall. Oh god! Oh god! Okay, they can be ran past easily. No sir, don't like it. What is that? Oh, is that a map? For a basement maybe? Wait. Yes, take it. I'm actually going to die. Well, I'm on yellow, but I don't want to hit orange. So, map. Why are there so many? What is this? What are you? What is anything really? Is there a power control panel? Power can be routed to the areas with insufficient power using these 5 switches. Using all the power may cause a short and cut the power supply. Oh, I didn't mean to do that! Down. Up. Down. Down. Up. I didn't mean to do any of that. If I do that, the shutters might... I'm touching stuff I have no business touching. Power supply is slightly low. Your mom's slightly low. That's what you tell it. Yeah. Take that. Alright. Map. That's a giant room. To my right. Run! Run! Oh. Hey, dog, guess what? Bam! I'm an idiot. Oh, God. Oh, cars. This can only end really badly. Oh, look. It's Ada. Ada Wong.
Sorry about that. When I saw the uniform, I thought you were another zombie.
Who are you?
Ada Wong.
And what are you doing here?
I'm looking for some guy named Ben. He's one of those reporter types, always looking for a scoop. I heard he was locked up in the cell block, only there's a wrecked car barring the entrance. I've been trying to find another way inside. If we work together, we can move this thing. Give me a hand here, will you?
Ada is the worst spy ever. I can care less about you, Ada. I care about this health. Okay, let's go move this car. Go in together. Why not?
Ada, wait!
Ada, wait! Oh God, it's dark. Oh God. What the hell? There's 3 cells. Or 3 blocks or whatever. Okay. Oh crap. Dang it. What I do remember is that when this, when I do cut down the power, this is all gonna kinda open up. And I kinda did that just to get the health. But it's true, I think they are gonna open up. Something horribly wrong just happened, and I'm not there to check it. Oh, yeah! No! I did it. I did it. Get him. Get him. Got it. Didn't get me, doggy. Okay, that was really scary. My chest really hurts. Oh, God. Oh. We got a blue herb, guys. You know what that means, right? Poison. Freaking. Oh, wait. Is yellow poison? Actually, wait. I believe this this brings up my health a little bit more. I mean, like, I'm able to take more damage. I honestly don't remember. But me personally, I'm gonna save that for a boss battle. Because you know what? Why not? I just came from here. What the deuce? Oh, my phone's ringing. Hello, phone. You have to wait. I'm not gonna answer you. So whoever's calling, I am sorry, but you have to wait. Ada! Wait! Got some help! Yeah! What's this? I really want to save my game because I'm really scared. When's the last time I saved it? In the back. Who goes there? Yeah. At least we know there's a crap ton of health here. Ooh, what's that? Oh, crap.
Let me guess. You must be Ben, right? Get up, now!
What do you want? I'm trying to sleep here.
Where did you go?
Ben, you told the city officials that you knew something about what's been going on, didn't you? What did you tell them?
And who the heck are you?
I'm trying to find my boyfriend. His name's John. He was working for a branch office of Umbrella based in Chicago, but he suddenly disappeared 6 months ago. I heard a rumor that he's here in the city.
I don't know anything. And even if I did, why would I want to tell you?
Okay, I say we leave him in there. Does anyone know where they put the key to this cell?
I have it right here, officer. But I'm not about to leave this cell. Those zombies aren't the only things crawling around out there.
There it goes.
What was that?
Like I said, I'm not leaving this cell. Get out of here before you lead it right to me.
Hey, I'm not going anywhere. I'm the only cop left alive in this building.
What?
Look, if you want to live, then you're gonna have to leave with me.
But do you even know how to get out of the city? There's a kennel in the back of the building. Inside the kennel is a manhole. Go through and it'll lead you to the sewer entrance, but it won't be easy.
All right, I'm going.
See, I like that, but you know what? I kind of want to check the other rooms. But I also know that I'm going to die horribly. Well, time for some good old jump scares, because that's what I'm pretty much ready for at this point. I'm trying to decide. Crap. Where was that room with the electronically locked lockers? I'm gonna screw on the power some more. Ow! Ow! Let's move it up. Up. Down. Down. Up. Yeah! 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 Oh, crap. Wait a minute, but I don't have enough space for whatever. Crap! Let's go through these other rooms really quick. Hopefully, I think there might be a save room on this floor. I hope so. So we're just gonna go in. See, it's not like Resident Evil, I believe, 3 Nemesis, where it's this S where there's a save spot at. That's the only part that's kind of killing me. This is definitely an autopsy room. Ow! My dude! I'm gonna die. I'm gonna have to use that herb pack that I made. Now where am I? But what's that? Oh, jeez, I don't care. Yeah, sure, why not? Let's go down. Let's go die. Horribly. Please let it be a safe room. Please, 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 please. Yeah! Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, we got it. Yeah. Okay, I'm really excited for no reason. Okay. Yes. Yes, we got a save room. Finally. So much is happening. Oh my god. There are no ammo. Guess not. Yes. We got a save room. How bad am I? You know what? Let's take a red combination. Yes, we got it. Alright, we're going to grab. So I don't need the that manhole opener anytime soon. So we're not gonna take that with us. I'm not planning on going to that room anytime soon. But I will save my game. I will definitely save my game. And with that being said, I'm going to cut it here. So thank you much. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.